guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you some jewelry, specifically earrings. So if you are someone who love earrings, do not miss this video. You are going to just know more about these jewelry which I have bought it from Amazon and Flipkart. So yes, I don't want to waste any more time in talking, rather I start this video and show you everything what I have bought. In this video I'm going to show you Zaveri pearls jewelry which I have bought from Amazon and Flipkart. I'm going to talk about the packaging, everything what I have felt about it, and I'm going to show you one earring which belongs from the brand of I think Voila. So this is how the earring came to me. The packaging of the Zaveri pearls, I really didn't like the packaging at all. You can see the thing is almost open and like this. Packaging is really poor of this Zaveri pearls. I must say that I have received few more boxes. I'm going to show you that. Now I'm going to show you the earring. Now this is named as Padmavati earring. I am quite sure that you have seen these earrings online. I can't remember the prices, but the the links will be down below. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. So this is how it looks, and yes, definitely I'm going to wear this and I'm going to show you how does it look on me also. I really love this earring. As you can see, the work done over here and this motifs and this picture, it gives you a very traditional look. And if you are going for any wedding party, or you can wear it in any kind of festive occasion. Occasionally this is really a good piece of jewelry made for any occasions actually, and definitely you can't wear this on a daily basis, I can tell you that. And if you are someone who doesn't like to wear heavy jewelry, you should avoid this one. I can tell you that this is a piece of advice from my end to you guys, and rest you can see it is really lovely. The next box of Zaveri pearls, as you can see, why I was telling the packaging is poor. Packaging is really poor. I haven't opened it now. This is how the jewelry looks. I'm going to open it for the first time. So this is how it came, and over here as you can see, Radha Krishna is there, and it is also a very traditional kind of a jewelry, I think so. And I'm going to wear this and I'm going to show you how does this one looks on me. I really like this piece of jewelry because this is lightweight also. See guys, a little bit of meenakari work is done over here and it gives you a perfect festive look, I can tell you that. And it is lightweight, so anybody can wear it, and it's really cool. I really liked it. Here is written over here that Zaveri pearls. As you can see, this box came in a decent way. As you can see, I haven't opened the jewelry, so this is how it comes. As you can see, bubble wrap, and I'm going to take this one out. Now there are two pieces of earring in this one. This is how it looks. This is golden in color, and and I'm going to show you by wearing it how does it look on me. As you can see, it's a dangler, and this is very lightweight also. I really liked it. I really don't like golden jewelry, but I like this piece of jewelry, and as I have seen in online, it is as it is actually. Here you can see one stone is here. I'm just showing you a up close look. Here a stone is here, and this is how it looks. It's cool. I like it. also is very pretty. It is having little bit of pearls in it, as you can see. Now there is a difference between these two. This one I was wearing previously and this is it. As you can see the difference. So according to me, I love this one more because I think because of the stone over here, the color of the stone really attracted me a lot. This is also nice, but if I compare to the previous one, I liked it more. And yes, this is lightweight, so just anyone can wear it, you know, and definitely this is meant for occasions. You can understand by the look of this dangler. Guys, I only bought one piece of jewelry from Voila and this is how it looks. It just came actually. I didn't open it. So this is, I think, the price tag. It came. I'm just going to wear it. I'm going to show you. This is a bit problem while showing you, but this is how it looks. I do believe this is a great thing to wear on daily basis. So I'm going to wear it and I'm going to show you guys. And yeah, this is quite lightweight. So I like all these types of earrings, you know. You can wear it on your daily basis also, and even if you are hanging out with your friends, even if you are going to any party also, I believe these earrings can be, if you can just carry these earrings nicely, you can just wear it. One sec guys. Oh my goodness, it's not coming out. Okay, I'm just cutting this out and then I'm going to show you how this earring look on me. Guys, this earring is really lovely and this is something you can wear on a daily basis, and this is something like much more like giving me that tribal jewelry type feeling. Is really nice. As you can see, I'm just showing you this earring up close. It is really very lightweight, so anyone can wear it. I am not feeling also that I am wearing something. This is, I think, the best part of this earring. So all the jewelry were lovely guys, I can tell you that. And this is the only jewelry which is having silver color, rest was all golden. So if you have liked any of this jewelry and you want to buy it, all the links will be given in the description box. You can just check out from there if you wish to. So if you have liked this video, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed. God bless. Tata. Bye bye.